Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. 2607 Ensbrook Meadow features Centex's popular Valencia floor plan with full brick exterior. The home offers an enormous family room upon entry, open to the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen includes 42 inches birch cabinetry, granite countertops, and side-by-side refrigerator. Upstairs, the spacious primary suite features dual sinks, a garden soaking tub, separate shower, large walk-in closet, and a private sitting area, ideal for quiet time or a home office. 2 additional bedrooms share a full bath with access to a center game room. Conveniently located near schools, shopping, and commuter routes, this home blends space, function, and style.